Alright, what's good, gang? So, right now, I'm just packing, getting ready for Miami. I'm gonna meet my boy Dennis. I'm gonna meet some of y'all there too, which is dope as fuck. We're going to a private yacht event. Shout out to Sam Jacobs for the invite. But should be cool. We're gonna be there for 4 days from the 17th to the 20th. If you see me out there, if you're in 5 World, let's link up. I'm posting this video tomorrow. So when this video goes up, I have just landed in Miami. This is just gonna be the night before and the plane ride there. But expect a lot of content because I'm going harder in 2025 on YouTube. I want my face everywhere. I want more people to see me. I want more people to know about the freedom you can get just from making money on the internet. Like, I'm just a regular dude at the end of the day. I'm just like you. I'm no different, bro. I wake up, I go to the gym, I eat food, I put on my pants one leg at a time, just like you. And we're just enjoying this life, bro. So let's pack and I'll see y'all in the morning. Store went a little crazy today. As you can see, we popped off. We got around $1,000 first test. So let's get this to at least 5K a day by the time we leave Miami. You heard me say it, 5K a day by the time we leave Miami. It's day one, and we already hit $1,000 in sales. So shout out to KD for helping me with the website. If y'all need any websites built, I'm gonna link his Instagram in the description. He will build you any website. Just give him the directions, and he will do it for you for a fucking steal. Like, he's an American. I mean, he's from Europe, but he's in America. He's gonna get you right. He's gonna charge you pennies on the dollar for what a Web3 or a developer on Fiverr is going to charge you. And he's American, and he's cool as fuck, so shout out KD. And I just finished packing. I got all my shit ready for Miami. As you can see, I got my... Hold on, let's get the camera right. I got my carry-on, my laptop bag, my Birkenstocks, and I just got a few other things like my hat, my glasses, my wallet, and my keys. Like, I'm not packing too crazy. It's Miami, so I don't really need to wear too much. I don't really need to put that shit on like that, really. I mean, or I actually might need to put that shit on since we're in Miami. Everyone's flossed in Miami. But to meet some of y'all who are in the Discord, who are going to be in Miami meeting us, that's going to be dope as fuck. But I'm tired. It's about to be midnight. Just finished cleaning my apartment. Gonna reset these ads and then wake up, get ready, and then we on the plane, bro. Then we in LAX. But for me, that's 7 hours from now. For you, that's in the next couple clips. So I'm gonna finish this, I'm gonna get some rest, and I'll see you on the next clip. Alright, gang, so I lost the footage. I lost my camera on the way here. So this clip is right after me packing. So just enjoy the rest of the vlog. I appreciate y'all. I got more vlogs coming, but I lost my camera without the footage. So from here, everything's recorded on my phone. Alright, gang, we just got to the Airbnb. Here with Dennis, he's taking a couple calls, but I'm gonna show you outside. I might have lost my fucking camera. I might have left it in the cab. Fuck it, but this is where we're at. We in downtown Miami, baby. We're right at the center of Brickell. We're in the center of everything, which is sick as fuck. Damn, I really might have lost my fucking camera, bro. I literally just got that fucking hoe too. I literally just got it a week ago. A week ago, bro, and I left that shit in the cab. You know damn well that dude just ain't giving it back. But yeah, American Airlines is right there. We're probably gonna hit the Heat game, come back, do some more work. I might link up with my boy Milton for dinner after the game. But yeah, we're here, we're live. We're gonna catch the event and let's get back inside.